Good morning, welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is September 13th, 2021. It's 9 in the morning. Let's start taking a look at the futures today. So what we have is all forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risks involved and if necessary seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimer, commodity futures trading commission, trading rewards Trading financial instruments of any kind, including options, futures, and securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risk and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, stock markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, let's get into it. See, I always lose my camera. So we're on this screen today. Well, then we'll do this screen. Boom. Alrighty. Make sure, yeah, that's right, camera. Opposite screens, whatever. Okay, good morning, everybody. This is Mike. I'll just move my charts out of here. And we'll go from there. And I'm actually in a trade right now. And the reason why is, take a look at this. Let's go to a daily bar here. What we've had is this is going to be ironic. I'm going to tell you about this is because the past few days I was trying to show you a trade, do 200 bucks, 200, and I might do my 200 right away here, or 300. But as you can see, with the sell phase, it pulled down. And remember, I say it goes in quarters and halves. Well, this is our halfway mark basically. We've got 7 days left. Now we have a big rejection. But if you recall, if you look at my previous videos, I made this band here. It should go to this level. Well, guess what? It literally touched it, a deeper little bit retracement, and now we have a rejection coming back up. Okay? This is what I want to show you. And the reason why I always say top-down approach, guys, top-down approach, and I keep on repeating it, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. If you look at the top-down approach, imagine you're standing on the moon and you're watching an asteroid go by, or if you're having a nice cerveza or whatever, and you're looking and watching a jet plane move a certain trajectory. That's the reason why we do top-down. That's it. So you can see which direction it should be going. We don't want to look at the noise. We get in the noise, try to pinpoint a trade. Okay? And so when you see that, as you can see, we did this prediction how many days ago, and look how close I was off maybe, well, there's your 400 level. So it ticked probably, let's see what the bottom is. 05, just before the 100 level, okay? So it tried to get as far as possible, knock everybody out, and then push its way back up, okay? Now on a 4-hour candle, remember I drew this GAN fan, and I said it might be riding here, and it did, and then it broke down, that big sell-off. I didn't realize it that day, but it dropped down. Now we're within our 50% line, and now we're coming back up. Now they're going to be playing between these two zones. We had that big drop-off. Now we have 4, 8, 12 hours, and now it wants to push up one more time. We're going to get into these order blocks. So we probably have a safe bid of 1550, maybe 600. Don't know. Okay? This is what you got to look at. But yeah, they want to push it up. They want to get back into this order block section. Okay? Now what I'm going to show you is, I might have to close my position here. Where am I at? Well, there's hardly any dollars there yet. I'll let it play for a while. And let me see here. I want to see if I can find the delta. Where are we? Is that the chart? There it is. Okay. I have a feeling this might be a runner today. Oh yeah, look at the bottom from 1 in the morning. So they did that final sell-off and they're pushing it up. They'll probably come down in the beginning. We'll find out right away. But this looks like it's going to be a runner. And what we're going to look for is, I already put one of my projections 600, and this dotted line was, I have to take a look what I said on the last event. But as you can see, it hit once, it hit twice, it hit 3 times. She's creeping up slowly. We got 32, so we got a quarter of a 50, we got a quarter of a 75, we have a quarter of 600. And if we go, let me see here. Where are we? So we can get down to 10. Some are right in this zone. This is just another thing. And you can see where the lot of volume is, but there's a peak volume here. So a couple of peaks is still choppy. And we'll see how she's going to play out here. And we'll go to 400. She wants to push it up today now. She's good to go. So what we're going to do, we'll let him do a little bit of a pull down, but she's going to take off today. I could even put a second contract right here. I'll see what happens. We'll let him do a quick sell off. You can see there's some grouping right here. But let me see here. There we go. Let me bring this chart across here. They're going to play around here, but see, they're going to hit this block. We already have this bottom block, which could pull down 27. That would be a serious sell-off. No, I'll be fine. 1528, 1428. No, we'll stop right here if it does pull down. But it will try to get back to this 600 zone, and maybe to the 660 zone. We're going to find out here right away. We've got 15 minutes before they open. That might be a quick sell-off really quickly and then a pump up. But see here, so we've got a previous high, 59.63. It wants to go today. You can see it's been 3 days of a sell-off, and look at our delta. It's been very flat, so expect it to fire up today, guys. They're just lining things up for the punch today. And we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Maybe I might... we'll see, yeah. That's the easiest way. Give it some time. We'll look at what happens at prior open. We're going to go for one of these 3 Fibonacci's. That's what I'm shooting for. If it really takes off, we'll find out. Because what's happening right now, if you look to the left, the trail to the right, we're already bumping onto this. So this thing's breaking through, so it's going to fire right up. And this is at, what was that, 1 in the morning we said? Yeah. So we can go 30, 50, maybe, I might even shut her down at 75. I don't know. I'm going to open up one more chart now since it's a little different today. Let's see where we are here. See, I'm actually break even right now. I was up a few dollars, and I'll let it bounce around, but here's my marker at even at 10 here. So I like this. See how strong this grouping is? I might even put a buy limit on here too and go for 2 contracts. The strength is so beautiful right now. See, it hit once, it hit twice. It might even go down to here for the 3rd time for the pullback. That's fine. I just wanted to make sure I get my position in. I thought maybe I could hit 50 before market open. We'll find out right away. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go grab my coffee and I'll come back. Still going up slowly. nice if I could get 15, 20 points before market open. Wouldn't that be nice? Might be, actually, I won't be trading today. Like I said, once I get my goal, I'm done for the day, guys. So, right now we're at about 7 points ahead. So, we'll just let it play around. Oh yeah, but I should actually sit for a full session for one of these days. So I'm already around 7.5 points ahead. As you can see, this is called this is the tick range, tick zone. So basically, what I did is this is the dumbed down version of the tick range. I'm using 4 range bar on this one, just watching it creep up slowly, and so I have less minutiae. I'm not, just because, as you notice, I've traded different different charts. So it's the same chart all the way across, but basically what I'm doing is I'm using this chart now more so because it really helps me find my support and resistance levels, which I'm finding out thanks to Jose and also Isham as well, to both of those guys. But I use like my volume bars and all that other stuff to see high volume for peaks and valleys. But when you have a 3-4 day sell-off like that, of course they want to recoup. That's the bottom line. 10 more points and I'll be done for today. Alright, already at 40. Unless if it gets right before open, I'll close it right before open. Let them keep on creeping up, because where are we right now? We are, let me see here. Okay, we're right here, so we do possibly have a support and resistance here. I'd like to see it to go to 66 even, somewhere within this zone. And what is our delta doing? Our delta is flat. That's on a minor bar. I gotta close this page. 0.73, 1.05%, 0.62. See where we are in this one. Oh yeah, we're at 42. Shoot, is that my block? Let me see here. Yeah, so I might. Oh, darn it! I'll let her play right now. That could be, no, that's not going to be order block rejection. It will come down, but it's going to go up to, let's see where it is. 69, eh? So it will go to here for sure. What I need on here is volume bars. I'll show you my other chart here. So volume bars. One volume bar, 2 volume bars. Yeah, there is a volume bar there. That's okay. A lot of volume at 20, so that's good. I'm happy about that. So what I'm looking at is, while there might be a quick pull down right in the beginning, but as you can see, there was a lot of volume right in this zone here. Okay, we had a volume spike, and because we're hitting on this order block here, but she's going to pop through. You know what I want to do? I want to put market maker in there. Have them have a market maker in there. I'd like to see where that market maker. Let's see where we are here. Okay, so I said 600. Yeah, so look at all this resistance here. So if we can, oh, okay, let it. What's this level? Oh no, that's previous. So from here, this is the zone. And so we'll have to watch this resistance here. If she pops through this resistance, we're good for 69 here, because this is where all the volume is on 69. And yeah, I said 60, 80, It's gonna might be 69 right here. We'll see what happens first thing in the morning. We've got 3 minutes before they open. Let's see how violent it goes. And if it does go down, I'll look for it hitting around maybe 15 to 20 if it does do a quick sell-off. And then I can buy in again. We'll see what the vibration is in the first few minutes. If she pops through, I'm going to go, if she pops through here really fast, let's see here. Yeah, that's past the 50 marker. We'll find out right away. Two minutes before the open. But yeah, see, there's all your resistance right in this zone here. And that's where all the market makers were. So, and that's what I'm watching for. I would love to see it just go pop, 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 then right there and done. And you can see there's a lot of volume spiking up here too. So they're playing that game for a push. The reason why I'm saying that is it's just before market open, 1 minute before market open, and it's already a yellow bar. Not a green. There's a squeeze. 1 minute before open. Where's my delta? It's okay. We'll see what the, I want delta on here. Hopefully it doesn't crash before it. Okay, look at how the delta's been playing around. That's okay. Blue bar. And we're just ready to go. Boom. Let's pop this through here. There's our pop. Let's see if we can get to 50. Let it come down. If it gets down to this, where is it? I might have to buy market here. Just give me a second. Let it come down. Okay, am I going to buy right here? See what happens. Let it come down. I have to see if she rejects off that. Yeah, it's going to reject. Perfect. Here's our bounce. I should have bought right there. That's the reason why I said it was going to do the bounce right there. See how it hit it perfectly? I was going to buy there, but I said, you know what? I already had one contract in there. Let them play around for a while. And I could buy in again right here. And they will go to 50 for sure. I see it's 66, somewhere around here. Give it some time. Needs to grind through this section. Once it grinds through this, she's going to pop. So we're at 40, so from 40 to 50, 50, maybe to 66, 65. We'll find out here. There's 45, 47. Come on, hit my 50. Okay, we broke this level here. Just grinding away more. And 47, 48. Come on, get my 50. Done.
Order filled.
There you go, $400 right on the money. First thing in the morning, guys. That's it for my video. Very short. It's going to keep on going, but I don't care. I said I wanted to hit my 50, $400 a day. So today, properties. There's your delta pushing up. Yeah, it's going to go to 66. But anyways, let me see here. I forgot to put that in there. $400 right on the money. There's 57. I should have kept it in there. Whatever. Anyways, I gotta go to the city and buy some brick for my whatever patio. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. But before I go, I have to always remember I have to show you what I was looking at. Okay. In conclusion, very first thing I looked at. This is the pop order block. Okay. We knew they needed a pullback, so we'll see we're back to 46, 45. We just wanted the first few minutes, grab some points here. We got to $400, got to my 50s. Remember, I do quarters. 0, 25, 50, 75, 100. Just round and round and round. Okay? She might pull back down again. We don't know, but it was just looking attractive for it to do the pop. It could have popped right crazy to 75. If I saw that right away, I would have held it, but I saw the vibration and pulled down. Okay, that's what I wanted to see. Like, that's the first thing I see. That's the reason why I had, which chart was it? This chart open, I was watching it, okay? Right here. This is the reason why. I saw the pull down. I said I could have bought in again, and it went up to 50. There's 55. She's pulling down again. Now she's playing around. We have to watch. But it's the first few minutes. See, we're only 3 minutes in, guys. Okay? I was a few bucks up ahead. I said it's strong enough for it to work. But now what we have to do is, well, because she's breaking down here now, we have to see how far the pull down is. Okay? It still might go up. But I wanted to see if it would have hit 75 or 100 right away. Never did. Vibration, fail. Let's just go for it. Get to our 50 right here. Go a little bit farther. Now let them play this game. Because we're too early in the morning. Now we're at a quarter. So what you do, now we watch. See, we're starting to break here. So a little bit of nervousness there if I was going to continue to trade. And it went a little bit deeper than I would have liked. But you know what? If she pops over this zone again, away we go again. But it's going to be a lot of playing because... where are we? Back to the original chart. We know she's pushing up. Hit that peak line. See, I was very close with my line there. But it wanted to go to 50. Order blocks, guys. Remember I said order blocks? And now let her squeeze down. We'll watch to see if it gets to this line or this line. And if it does get to that zone, that's when I'll start looking again. I'll look at 500, see what the reaction is. Maybe this is only the first 5 minutes before the pop-up. I don't know. But I would rather walk away now with $400 in my pocket than get frustrated to see if I'm on the right or the wrong side of the trade. Okay? Other than that, just pinpoint your trades. Trade safe. If you have any questions, make sure you're going on the Discord. I said you get to use those indicators for free for quite some time. I opened it up for a little while for you guys. And then when it expires, it expires. Okay? Take care.